Right, here we have a C6 Corvette Grand Sport shifter assembly. It was removed to install an MGW. It's in good condition. It's not perfect. There's some blemishes. I'm not sure if the light does it any justice. But yeah, there's some blemishes on there. It's not perfect. It's used. But it looks good. It's good. It's not a bad piece. Even got the cap that goes with the dust cover. I also have the case. Case is in good condition. I do not have the shaft. I used the shaft on the MGW shifter. So you would have to get a new shaft. Case is good. Good condition. No damage. No visible damage. It was working fine when I pulled it out. So, yeah, that's what I got. C6 Corvette, 2011, Grand Sport. I have everything but the shaft.